it's your boy IP Lyrics, and in this tutorial today I'll be showing you how to change your language in the HUAWEI P30 Pro. And also, this actually works basically like every other phone, but for those of you who don't know how or who's new to the Android system, I'll be giving it a run through. First, you want to click on your settings. You look for your settings, or click on settings, and then in the search bar on top here you want to write language. If it's written in English, you need to write it as English to search for it. And if it's written, if the phone is in a different language, you can use the Google Translator to get a translation for language, and then you just type it there. You go to the language and region, which is the second option here. We click on that. Now we're here. I'm making this video from Germany, and that is why my region is Germany, and I have the option to make it English or German, or I can add another language depending on what I want to do. It could be Spanish, so let's try Spanish. You see, you sure you want to change your language settings to Spanish? Of course, baby. We'll click on that, and now we have it, Espanol. And immediately you click on the language, you see everything changes to the language. So if you want to go to German, it goes to German. You see every other thing changes to the new language. So, but let's leave it in English. Alright, so that's where we end this today. Please, if you haven't subscribed, consider doing so, as this helps us to grow.